Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make some spicy potatoes, known as Batata Harra. Hara in Arabic basically translates to spicy or hot. Really easy, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've peeled some potatoes and cut them fairly chunky. They're in some cold water there. We're going to get some salt in there. You can sort of see the size I'm talking about. Sort of irregular shapes, but you know, fairly sort of substantial. What we're going to do is bring them to the boil and then let them go for about 4 minutes. So we want to kind of cook them, but not till they're so soft. Then we're going to drain them off so they've got a nice bit of give still in them. So we have our potatoes there, which are parboiled. You know, they've still got a bit of life in them. You know, they're not really soft yet. We're going to be cooking them further in the oven. I've got some oil here. You can use any oil you want. Olive oil is great. About 100 ml for this amount. You don't need loads and loads. A tablespoon of garlic, in that goes. And then a teaspoon each. Just have a look. We've got salt, pepper, chili powder, chili flakes, and coriander. Adjust that as much as you want. Add some more garlic, less garlic, more chili, depends on how you want it. Gonna give that just a little quick mix. So I've transferred the potatoes now into a oven-proof dish. You can see that I'm using metal, ceramic and glass also works, up to you. Nice hot, maximum heat oven. Get them in the middle shelf for about 9 to 10 minutes. Job done, they're delicious. Okay, there you go. You can see they're nice and crispy and golden, beautiful stuff. Do them a bit longer if you want. Now some people fry them. We've done them in the oven today. Super delicious. They're basically spicy roast potatoes, aren't they? But they are good. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.